Extend partners with banks to make it easy for companies to share access to their business credit card with employees and freelancers via virtual cards. A virtual credit card is a digital version of a credit card. It appears on a screen and doesn't come with a physical plastic card. Like any credit card, a virtual card has a card number, an expiration date, a security code, and a spend limit. It can be used to make purchases anywhere online, in mobile apps, and in any store where credit card information can be keyed in. To start, a virtual card is always associated with a credit card and created at the request of the credit card holder. In fact, with Extend, a cardholder can create and distribute any number of virtual cards and cancel them at any point. Even better, each virtual card number is different from the credit card it is associated with. Its spend limit and validity date are also set by the cardholder who sent the virtual card. This makes it easy for the cardholder to safely enable and control spending across employees and freelancers. The cardholder gains tremendous visibility on these transactions and earns all the points or cash back they generate. With Extend, the days of uncomfortably handing over credit cards or expecting others to rely on personal cards for business expenses are gone. Download Extend today.